I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude and humility. First and above all, I give all the glory and thanks to our Lord for blessing me with another precious year of life. Reaching 57 is not just about counting years, it's about counting blessings, lessons, and the grace that carried me through every season of my life. Every joy, every challenge, every victory has shaped who I am today, and for that I am truly thankful. To my loving husband, Joe, thank you. You will never be enough. Thank you for being my strength, my partner, and my constant support. You stood by me in the happiest moments and held me up during the hardest days. Your love, patience, and understanding mean the world to me. I am deeply grateful to share this journey of life with you. To my dear friends, my best friends forever, my relatives, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for your unconditional love, for cheering me in the good times, and for staying with me in my worst times. Your presence in my life, blessings I will always treasure. My special thanks to my BFF Mayet for the decorations and also more. To my friend Denise, thank you my friend. Hanggang alas 4 ng umaga, nag-uusap pa rin kami, for this program. Thank you my friend. To my DJ Henry and Sis Agnes. Thank you so much, especially last night. 4 lang kami naglagay ng mga chair covers. Thank you, thank you. To my Word to Next family, thank you for accepting us, me and my husband in your group. Thank you so much. To Ate Malu, Francisco, thank you Ate for the nice decorations, for the dance. Thank you also Timeless for your time and the special numbers that you made. Thank you so much. I really appreciated it. To my BFF Javier, thank you BFF for you carry all this stuff for helping us. Thank you. To my brother who came all the way from Sacramento. Thank you, Kuya, for attending. Wala naman akong kamag-anak masyado dito, so just my brother, my nephew, Dan Austin. Salamat, anak. To BFF Jessie, Kuya Ricky, Kuya Brother Willie, BFF Joy, Mayumi, Sharon, Joe, ang dami kong salamat. Word to Next family. Thank you so much for this event, for helping me, from day one. Who else? Baka may nakalimutan, pasensya na po kasi hindi po ako sanay mag-speech. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa party ko. Let's dance till midnight, so show me your moves. To my husband's family, to my sister-in-law, to Giselle, to Scott, thank you, to Jordan, thank you sa lahat. So, if you need any DJ, please call Kuya Henry. If you need a host or need a band, call my friend Denise. And the BFFs, thank you so much. So thank you to my adventurous family. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you po sa lahat and enjoy. Have a safe flight. Okay. Thank you for flying Jeans Airlines Boeing 757. Thank you so much. Thank you sa effort nyo. Bumili pa kayo ng mga uniform. Salamat, salamat, salamat po. So, enjoy. Enjoy your flight. Thank you. Bye.